Welcome to the ultimate guide for maximizing your business capital in 2026, because today we are diving deep into the most powerful financial strategy currently available for entrepreneurs and small business owners. If you have ever felt like you are leaving money on the table every time you pay a vendor or cover an operating cost, then this video is designed specifically for you. We are talking about the 2026 credit card Trifecta, a sophisticated system that allows you to earn 5x points on every single business expense without exception. For years, people thought that earning high rewards was limited to specific categories like travel or dining, but the landscape has changed completely this year. By combining three specific cards that work in perfect harmony, you can create a closed-loop system where every dollar spent returns maximum value to your bottom line. Phase 1. The foundation. First, we must look at the foundational card of this setup, which acts as the primary engine for your daily operations. This card is chosen not just for its introductory offer, but for its unique ability to categorize non-traditional business spending as high-yield activities. In 2026, the digital economy has shifted, and the banks have finally caught up by offering multipliers on software subscriptions, cloud computing services, and digital marketing spend that were previously capped or ignored. However, the real secret is not just having the card, but knowing how to route your payments through specific third-party processors that trigger the 5x bonus. Many business owners make the mistake of paying for inventory or rent via bank wire, which earns zero rewards, but we are going to show you how to utilize this trifecta to capture those massive expenses. Phase 2. The multiplier. The second card in our trifecta is what we call the bridge, because it allows you to transfer points between different ecosystems at an elevated rate. This is where the math really starts to work in your favor, because when you combine the baseline earning of the first card with the transfer bonuses of the second, your effective return on spend jumps significantly. We are seeing unprecedented partnerships between major banks and airline or hotel loyalty programs this year, meaning your 5x points are often worth much more than 5 cents per dollar when redeemed strategically. Imagine being able to fund your entire company's annual travel budget, or perhaps a luxury retreat for your executive team, simply by paying the bills you were going to pay anyway. Phase 3. The universal catch-all. The third and final piece of this puzzle is the universal catch-all card, which ensures that even the most obscure business expenses still hit that 5x threshold. This card utilizes a dynamic spending limit and a rotating bonus structure that adapts to your highest spending category each month. When you align these three tools, you create a defensive wall against inflation and rising costs, because the value of the rewards you earn is often outpacing the traditional interest rates found in savings accounts. This is not just about points. It is about cash flow management and leveraging the banking system to work for you instead of the other way around. Implementation strategy. To implement this, you need to follow a very specific application timeline to ensure you do not trigger any fraud alerts or impact your credit score negatively. We will walk through the exact order of operations, including which cards to apply for first and how to set up the automated payment rules in your accounting software. By the end of this year, if you follow this trifecta strategy, your business will have a massive war chest of points that provides a level of flexibility and freedom most competitors simply do not have. This is the new standard for business finance in 2026, and it starts with understanding that every transaction is an opportunity for growth. So let us get started with the first step of the process. In the rapidly evolving world of corporate finance and digital banking, The ability to optimize every single dollar spent is what separates a thriving enterprise from one that is merely surviving, and today we are unveiling the most aggressive points earning strategy ever documented. This is the 2026 credit card trifecta, a system so powerful that it effectively turns your account payable department into a profit center by capturing a guaranteed 5% return on every single business cost you encounter. Whether you are paying for massive inventory shipments, global logistics, office leases, or heavy digital advertising spend, this framework ensures you never settle for the standard 1% ever again. To understand why 2026 is a landmark year for this strategy, we must first look at the massive shift in how banking institutions view business credit, as they have shifted away from flat-rate rewards toward complex ecosystem incentives. The trifecta consists of three distinct tiers of credit products that, when used in isolation, are merely good, but when stacked together, they create a synergistic effect that unlocks the elusive 5 times multiplier on everything. The first card in your wallet must be the strategic anchor, which is a card that specializes in high-volume overhead expenses such as utilities, shipping, and telecommunications. In the current 2026 market, this anchor card provides the base layer of points, but the real magic happens when you pair it with our second card, which is the specialized category disruptor. This second piece of the trifecta allows you to select one massive spending category each month to receive a boosted rate, and by using sophisticated tracking tools, you can rotate this category to match your business's largest quarterly outflows. However, the most common problem business owners face is the remaining 30 or 40% of expenses that do not fit into a neat category, such as professional legal fees, insurance premiums, or specialized hardware purchases. This is where the third card in the trifecta comes into play, acting as the ultimate safety net that utilizes a points transfer partnership to elevate the value of every transaction. This third card essentially acts as a portal, taking the points earned from the other two cards and moving them into high-value transfer partner accounts, where the redemption value is significantly inflated. If you are a business owner who is currently spending $50,000 a month on operations, you are likely sitting on a gold mine of millions of points that could be used to offset your entire travel budget, provide employee bonuses, or even be liquidated into cash to reinvest back into your marketing. We are moving past the era of simple cash back and entering the era of total capital optimization, where your credit strategy is just as important as your sales strategy. To execute this perfectly, you must establish a strict protocol for which card is used for which vendor. And in this guide, we are going to break down the exact automation rules you can set up within your digital wallet to ensure the correct card is always charged. We will also discuss the legal and tax implications of these rewards, ensuring that you are building this system on a solid foundation that remains compliant with current 2026 regulations. Do not let another month go by where you are throwing away thousands of dollars in potential rewards, because the gap between you and your competition could very well be the millions of points you are currently failing to collect. It is time to master the trifecta, rethink your relationship with your bank, and start earning 5 times back on every single thing your business does, starting right now with your very next invoice.